In this video, we're going to introduce you to light modifiers. These videos are organized as a playlist so that you can easily navigate learning off-camera flash. The playlist and all video topics are linked in the description below if you want to navigate to a different part. Now that you've seen a few videos about balancing your camera settings with flash, it's time to start taking control of the characteristics of light. Whether you are using a small light or a big 600-watt strobe, there exists a wide variety of light modifiers that are capable of creating any visual look that you want. Each light modifier will affect all kinds of things, from the intensity of light to the quality of light, to the spread of light, how wide of a pattern of light it's going to put out. Before we go into those aspects of light, I want to give you a brief introduction into some of the more common light modifiers. First is bare. Without any modifier, a strobe is a very small light source that will produce harsh lighting. A speedlight has a medium spread, whereas most monolights throw light in a very wide direction, which is why light modifiers are necessary to be more controlled. A reflector is a dish that surrounds the flash bulb. It limits light from spreading so wide and gives you a bit more control, but it is still a pretty small light source. A beauty dish is a wide reflector that has a plate in the center to diffuse or obstruct the light directly from the bulb of a strobe from hitting your subject. Softbox refers to any box-style modifier that contains your light to bouncing off the walls before exiting the front diffusion. Softboxes have a massive range of sizes and shapes, such as the Octabox, which is in the shape of an octagon, or a strip box, which is a narrow rectangular softbox. Next is umbrellas. Umbrellas come in reflective and shoot-through variants. They are loved for their portability, but do not offer a significant amount of control as they send light in a very wide pattern. But they are still a very inexpensive option to get a large light source. Now, there are tons more of modifiers out there, such as grids, snoots, cookies, parabolic reflectors, and even more specialized tools than that. And while it's impossible to identify all the unique properties of every individual modifier out there, there are some general rules that apply. The deeper the modifier, the more narrow the coverage of light is. The larger the modifier, the softer light it's going to produce. The more diffusion layers in the modifier, the more even the light is going to be. If a modifier is black, it's likely designed to absorb light, to reduce the light from spilling outward. And if a modifier has silver material, it's designed to bounce light in a very high contrast and specular fashion. And then there's white modifiers, which are somewhere in between. They bounce light very effectively, but it's more even and less specular than its silver counterpart. And seriously, while those rules are a great place to start and maybe helping you identify the type of modifier that you want to start with, just know there are limitless options out there that can create endless visual results. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I really hope that you learned something new about flash photography. I suggest going and practicing the concepts that you just learned, but if you feel that you've already got a good grasp on it, then go ahead and proceed to the next video, which you can find in the end screen or in the description below. If you're enjoying my channel and you want to see more, then please hit that subscribe button and click the bell if you'd like notifications for when I post new videos. Until next time, keep on shooting.